I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use sheer polishes, and we actually just released the summer collection. So first up, we have this beautiful rose quartz, and this concept is kind of abstract. There's no right or wrong way to do it. You know, you're going to do it to your liking. And then we did this beautiful rolling waves design. Now this one, I'm actually not going to use any stamping. I'm going to freehand because there's really no wrong way to do it. Nail art like this is perfect because it's nice to be able to kind of fix small mistakes. And then last, we did this layering and create kind of like a garden. So this technique, it gives a little bit of dimension into the design. And now that I've done these designs, are there any other ideas that you could use for sheer polish? What do you guys think?